Rewriting an algebraic expression with a negative exponent. I have put the step up here, which says to move to the opposite to make positive. And I've provided two examples to kind of help us see what this means. Because ultimately, remember when we worked on those evaluating expressions with negative exponents, we kind of flipped the fraction. Well, in this case, not everything is being applied by a negative exponent. Only certain things are being applied. Okay, so as opposed to flipping the entire thing, then we're only going to be moving the part that's actually being applied with the negative exponent. So let's go ahead and work on these examples so this will kind of help us see what's going on here. So I'm going to draw here. Now, we've got this one here. It doesn't even have an exponent. So that is just going to stay, for right now, right there. Okay? This 2 right here is not being applied to any exponent. So we're going to rewrite it right where it's at. But this p to the negative 2, well, it does have that exponent. And the exponent is negative. So because this is negative, what's going to happen is we need to move this up to the top. So we're going to put p, and now that we're moving it, it becomes positive. Okay? So as opposed to that whole fraction flipping, and then it becomes positive, we only have part that's moving and becoming positive. So we can rewrite it, because Alex isn't necessarily going to want the 1. So we've got p squared over 2. Okay? Now let's look at this one. This one, of course, is a little bit different, but remember, all whole numbers can be written as a fraction, which means we can write this over 1. So looking at this 2 has nothing it has no exponent, so it's simply staying where it's at. But this n to the negative 4, again, it does have a negative exponent, so that means it has to move. So since it's on top, we're moving it down to the bottom, and then making that exponent positive. Okay, so if it's negative on bottom, you'll move it to the top and make it positive. If it's on the top, then you'll move it to the bottom and make it positive.